Planning to witness the upcoming solar eclipse? Here are essential safety reminders for an unforgettable experience. The sun's brightness can harm your eyes' sensitive tissues. Sunglasses will not protect your eyes. Use ISO-certified glasses. Looking for a DIY option? Craft your own pinhole viewer or use a colander to watch a projection of the solar eclipse safely. Ensure that optical devices like cameras, telescopes, or binoculars are equipped with proper filters designed for solar observation. During a total eclipse, when the sun is entirely covered, it's safe to look directly. Enjoy the solar corona's beauty, but remember, any glimpse of the sun outside totality is a risk. As the celestial spectacle approaches, expect a surge in traffic. Do not stop to view the eclipse along the roadway, especially interstates, parkways, and freeways. Choose a safe viewing destination off the road. Let's make this eclipse a memorable and safe experience. Find more important eclipse information at GeneseeTheEclipse.com.